Hi, so I'm Sherry. Hi. Someone is. Hi. So someone's having fun playing with my makeup, but anyway, I wanted to play with this. With this palette, I wanted to play with these brushes I got. I get it in my BoxyCharm, I believe. Either BoxyCharm or Ipsy. I'm pretty sure it was BoxyCharm. Yeah, it was BoxyCharm because they come with the Gaia brushes, whatever. And I just still didn't use them, but I'm gonna use them today. Good. Did you do that again? No. Okay, so that almost gave me a heart attack, but yeah, we're gonna play with this palette here. It has these pretty colors in it. I still don't know what the heck I'm gonna do, but I do want to play with this color. These are the only two mattes, these two, and the rest of these are shimmer. But I'm gonna start with this. I know it is broke, but I'm still gonna use it. I don't care. It is broken, but we don't have to have a straight line. I just want to like make it work for now, you know. I know I'm gonna play with that blue color, the Femme Fatale. It's called Femme Fatale. Kind of same color as that. Trust the process, Sherry. Even though I have no idea what in the heck I'm gonna do with this look. We'll figure something out. I'll take this little blending brush then. I'll take this blue color right there. I just want to do something fun with this palette because, you know how it would look if it was dramatic. I want to cut the crease. If I can. Oh my god. This little paper. This is my favorite powder. It almost broke. Too damn expensive for that little powder too. So, I want it to break. I like cutting the crease up here high because I kind of like a hood, especially on this side. There's a hood. Careful, Carmen. Careful, lovey. Highlight this inner corner with Chantress color right here. This queen right here.
Mind them, they're just being rude. Baldy.
Talking to you. Okay, Baldy.
You want to take your old man nap? Leave me alone.
Honestly, it looks really weird. But I kind of like it. Okay, let's go into this Diva color. Just like sandwich them two colors together. Let's go back into that blue. So it's like a little tornado on my eye. It looks like a little tornado. Okay, so I put underneath and tried to smudge it out a little. I don't know. It's really messy. I always call it a smoky eye. I'm gonna add some blue here and here. I don't like this at all. Put this under here just to lighten up the look a little bit and give it a little bit of highlight. Maybe I should put some under here. I'm gonna take some more of that inner corner highlight that I used up there and I'm gonna put some down here. So I guess Carmen's doing dishes behind me. Carmen? Are you doing dishes? Huh? Oh, you're not doing dishes back there? Are you digging in my dishes?
Huh?
Oh, he said no. He's not doing dishes. Oh, okay, Carmen. I believe you that you're not digging in a sink and doing dishes. Totally believe you, Carmen. And put this little halo top up here. Okay, so it was really hectic. I tried to play with makeup today and I didn't even bother with lashes. I was just so over it. My kids were being crazy, running around. My old man wasn't really helping me with the boys, so it's a mess. But not all looks turn out the way you want, the way you imagine, but as long as you're having fun in the process, which I did have a little fun. I need to have a little fun. I like blending. I like playing with different shadows. I like trying to create, you know, not just natural stuff. I like to play with colors. I just like playing with makeup. You don't have to be a professional to play with makeup. You don't have to be a professional to do videos or whatever. I just do this because it's a form of therapy for me. I like to play. I like to have fun. And that's what I did today. I had a whole different look in my mind that didn't turn out the way I wanted it to. But, I mean, whatever. This is it. This is me. I'm a mess. I'm a complete mess. But I love makeup and I wanted to play. So, that being said, I'll probably do an unboxing next. And I got my 2 Ipsy bags. I gotta get this supper done. Kids are running around like crazy. So thank you for watching me be a complete mess as I am. As I always am. And I hope you have a good one. Bye.
And these are my crazy little boys. This one played with makeup and now he's eating pretty good. This one's over here chilling. Bye.